I've been wanting to do a road trip for years, since last touring Spain on a CBR 600 back in the early 2000s. I've started planning my French trip for August, and it's based around staying in the Tarn region at a friend's house. This means my road trip is about getting there and back. I've booked the Brittany Ferries Condor Fast Ferry from Portsmouth to Cherbourg. This allows me to visit the Normandy coast beaches and pay my respects to our heroes. I'll be doing a mixture of camping, one B&B and my friend's house. My first overnight will be at a camping site near Le Mans. The next evening will be spent at a motorcycle B&B close to Limoges. After 10 days at my friend's house, I'll head towards the Pyrenees and a campsite at Gerd. A few twisty roads later, and the final night of camping is at San Sebastian in Spain. The final leg will be a short ride to Bilbao to catch the overnight ferry. To prepare the Speed Twin for touring, I've made a few modifications. The first is to add bar risers. The difference to long distance riding for me is huge. I already had grip puppies fitted and use a cramp buster on longer journeys. Recently I've fitted Motone pannier racks. These are much better for lashing down using rock straps. I chose the Slummit Cub 2 tent for its ease and speed of setup, rather than going for the smallest and lightest tent available. This will be carried in a Lomo dry bag along with the air mattress, pillow and sleeping bag. Clothes are packed in the Krieger US-20 mounted as a tent bag. Valuables and things like first aid and puncture repair kits are in a Krieger R15 backpack and a Krieger US-5. The US-5 can be carried on the US-20 or the R15. It's a pretty flexible system. I bought a PackSafe 80 litre from eBay in case I need to secure any items, although I know it's only something that would slow down a thief rather than defeat them. I'm hoping to film a bit along the way and look forward to sharing them with you.